Okay, I've often said that your biology exam, unfortunately, isn't about biology. It's about English and it's about maths. What I want to do is develop your confidence in terms of maths to be able to look at the question and extract the information on it and just work on the maths. You're all really good at maths, but when it comes to a biology question, somehow it just doesn't happen. So let's look at an example and how we tackle it. Just have a read of this question here. It says a scientist measured the rate of removal of amino acids from a polypeptide with and without an enzyme. With the enzyme, 578 amino acids were removed per second, and without an enzyme, 3 times 10 to the minus 9 were removed per second. Calculate how many times the rate of reaction is greater with the enzyme present and give your answer in standard form. Well, let's just have a think about this. So, if I had really easy numbers and something was removed and it was 10 and something else was removed and it was less, it was 2. And what the question asked me, how many times faster is that than that? Straight away, I know it's 5 times faster. How do I know that? Because I got 10 and I divided it by 2. And it told me that it was 5 times faster. Now, you don't even need to understand all this stuff about polypeptides and amino acids. You should be able to access this question just by plucking out what it's asking you to do. So in this example, all we're doing is we're doing 578 divided by 3 times 10 to the minus 9, which is a very, very, very small number. Now, when you get that figure, what you find is that it comes to, I think it's 1.926 times 10 to the 11. But of course, what we know is that we always work to 3 significant figures in biology. So what we're going to do is we're going to take into account this one, and this one. But of course, this number needs rounding up because this number is more than 5. And so what we're going to have for our final answer, 1.993 times 10 to the 11. And we've got our marks.